What is going on, guys? Crypto Richie here, hanging out with you. I might even change my name to Tony Crypto. Uh, anyway, hope all is well. We're going to be talking about a altcoin called PulseDogeCoin, ticker symbol PLSD. Now, if you guys are into any type of altcoins or meme coins, you're definitely going to want to check out PulseDogeCoin. PLSD. If we go to the website here, now PLSD was given away for free to Hex Stakers. Now, if you guys don't know what Hex is a coin that Richard Hart created. Huge community behind it. Huge community. I'll have the links in the description down below. But anyway, it's generated tons of multi-millionaires with people investing in the Hex ecosystem. Okay, within 2 years, it went up like close to 1,000,000%, something like that, some crazy number like that. So, PulseDogeCoin was invented and given away to Hex Stakers. Now, what's a Hex Staker? Basically, when you buy the Hex token at Hex.com, you could basically stake your Hex to earn up to 38% per year. Don't worry about my baby girl in the background. Hopefully it's not bothering you. But right now Hex is trading at 3 cents. All-time high was about 51 cents, give or take, about 6 to 8 months ago. Okay, so basically when you buy Hex coin, you can click the staking mechanism here and you can stake Hex. Okay, so basically you can hook up your MetaMask wallet, you could stake your Hex, and you basically earn more Hex in yield depending on the amount and the length you stake for. This video, I'm not going to get detailed into it. It's going to probably take 10 minutes to really get into the Hex staking. But what happened on April 20th, 2022 was they did PulseDogeCoin did a snapshot, and whoever had a Hex stake, okay, these guys were given PulseDogeCoin for free as an airdrop. Okay, so I was able to claim, I'm going to have all the links down below. PulseDogeCoin over here, you can buy it on the ERC20. It's an Ethereum coin, but when Pulse Chain launches, which is another chain that Richard Hart is working on, the Hex ecosystem, it's going to be cloned also on Hex coin, on Pulse Chain. So PulseDogeCoin.com, there's only 6,094,659 PLSD that will ever be in supply. Okay, we're competing with Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, which has billions of coins, which inflate like crazy. PulseDogeCoin is deflationary, which means it's capped at 6,094,000, right? And you're going to be able to stake it and get a reward of something called PulseBitcoin. Okay, this is just a quick video, guys. I am not going to get into the details because the details are going to take 15-20 minutes to talk about this whole thing. I just want to make this video to say, hey, check PulseDogeCoin out. The links are down below. If you guys are looking for, income in an exponential way through a meme coin, then look into PulseDogeCoin. It's going to skyrocket. So let's take a look at the price chart. Okay, today alone it went up 30%. Okay, we were hovering at around 320, then it peaked at 560. Now it's down about 427. But if we look at the 6-month chart, we're not even that old yet, but you can see that it started at around, I think it launched at $1, then it went to like $2, came back down, went up to like $4 or $5. I was already in it at this point. Then it went all the way up to almost $10, $9.30 or something like that. And then we had our everything's crashing right now with crypto anyway, right? We kind of crashed down, kind of bottomed at around 240, 230, give or take, like a week and a half ago. But now we're pumping again. And if you're on DexScreener, you could see all the buys and all the sells here and the current price. Because if we go to Etherscan, refresh. Price shows 424. You could see some of the transfers here. Okay, the people buying, how much they're buying, 500, 200, 100. There was thousands of buys earlier today. A couple days ago, the market cap was about 18 million. Now it's 25 million. If we look at CoinGecko, our price chart is at 424. It's not really, these things update a little laggy, but I feel DexScreener gives you the most accurate price point. What are we at? We're at 425 here, 424 here, 424 here. So yeah, pretty close at the moment. I'm using Zerion to track my portfolio, and it's off a lot. It was off by $1 earlier today. So comment down below, guys. What do you think? Are you in PLSD? How do you feel about PLSD? Comment down below. Let me know. Were you a Hex staker? Did you claim PLSD as a free airdrop? Or did you just go out and market buy? Me, I claimed a good amount for free, but then I kept on buying and dollar cost averaging, and I did buy the dip a couple weeks ago. And I have a pretty nice sizable bag of PLSD. Rumors are it's going to hit $100, a couple $100 next year sometime. And when you're looking at a $4 coin, that's huge. So that's all I wanted to make this quick video about. PLSD, guys. PulseDogeCoin. We can go to Twitter if you're looking to follow the founder. His name is Hex Info, Hex Info. I'll have the link down below. He's the founder of PulseDogeCoin. Doesn't really show his face, but he does stream once in a while with other people talking about PulseDoge. But PulseDogeCoin, you're going to be able to mine, and you're going to be able to stake your PulseDogeCoin to get PulseBitcoin. And there's going to be another third token, which we don't know much about yet. But a lot of things are happening if you just do some research with PulseDogeCoin. Okay, this thing could be so huge. I actually started a website called the PulseDogePack.com, and I'll promote that in another video. PulseDogePack.com, and we also have a merch store that we're releasing. But this is this is my PulseDogePack website. I'm supporting the community. A lot of big guys in there, a lot of whales, a lot of Hex OGs. This thing is going to be huge, guys. So if you're looking to get into a better meme coin, better than the regular Dogecoin, better than Shiba Inu or Floki or any of that crap, get into something scarce, something that is going to 100x, 10x, yeah. This thing could 100x, and I believe it will. So anyway, Crypto Richie, Tony Crypto here hanging out with you today. Let me know your comments down below, and I'll have the links down below. Talk to you soon.